Hello, good morning. We are Tech Titans and we bring to you Text Assist. We are a team of four. We hail from Guwahati, Assam, and we are in grade 11. So, we have created a product which will make communication with people who are hard of hearing and hard of speaking easy. So, we have a device through which sign language gets converted into audio and communication with people like them become easier. So, now my teammate will be giving you a demo about how this works.
So this is a main model. This is the camera. This is the camera which identifies the sign, and there are speakers in this model which will tell you what sign it is. So suppose this is a sign for hello, and if I show hello, yeah. So same way now, right now, this program is programmed to show 15 signs, and to program it for per sign we use about 100 images. But afterwards, after to scale it up, we can put as many signs as we want, and instead of using 100 images per sign, we could extend it to as much as we want, and as strong is the data, as good will be the frequency.
We also plan to incorporate this into an app further on and not have a device for it. We've created a website and an app through which we can help people learn sign language and make communication with people suffering from disabilities easier. We hope that we can create an impact in the lives of those who are suffering from all of these issues. Thank you.